Hi children, let's identify the colors. Yellow, violet, orange. Violet, orange, yellow. Orange, violet, yellow. Yes, we have done it. Yes, we have done it. Here comes another train. Wow. Pink, red, brown. Good. Brown. No. Yes, this is your place. No, my dear. No. Yes, red. Red, pink, brown. And here goes the train. Another train comes. Let's see which colors. Orange, red, blue. Orange, blue, red. Orange, red, blue. We have done it. Oh, we are learning colors, beautiful colors. Yes, yellow, pink. No, brown, right. Brown, pink, yellow. Yellow, pink, brown. And here goes the train. Chuk. Another train comes. Grey, violet, green, violet, grey, green, grey, violet. Done. Good job. Another train comes. Chuk. Yellow, pink, green. Green, yellow, pink. Green, pink, yellow. And here goes the train. La. Orange, grey, blue. No. Grey. No. Orange, blue. No, my dear. Grey, orange, blue. Well done. Good job. Smart children. Another train comes. Let's see the colors. Violet, brown, red. Red, violet, brown. Brown, red, violet. Good job. Another train comes. Wow. See, the bogies are also so colorful. Wow. Green, grey, red. Grey, red, green. Grey, red, green. And here the train goes. Chuk. Here the train goes. Another train comes. Yellow, blue, violet. Yellow. No. Yellow. No, my dear. Don't change your place. Blue, violet. Blue, yellow, violet. Next train comes. Orange, pink, brown. Brown, pink, orange.